How to fix Messenger has stopped problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger has stopped problem. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there can be many reasons why your Messenger is giving you that error. The first is your Messenger is crashing due to some bugs or due to some stored cache memory. So what we can do here is first try to clear out the stored cache memory of your Messenger. So for that, head over to your settings. On your settings, search for General. There we go. Tap on General, then head over to iPhone Storage. On iPhone Storage, search for your Messenger app. So let's search for Messenger and it should be somewhere around here. You can directly search for the app itself. So let me just search for last due date and there we go. So tap on the offload app button and confirm the offload. And after you confirm the offload, your Messenger will have been removed from your device. That is, it'll free up storage, but it will just keep your documents and data. Then reinstall your Messenger app. Then after you reinstall it, your caches will have been deleted. After that, try to open up your Messenger and check if the problem has been fixed. If not, head over to your App Store. Now, if your problem is due to bugs, we will need to upgrade or update your Messenger app. So search for Messenger, and after you find Messenger app here, check if there is an update button here. If there is an update option instead of open, tap on update and update your app, which the update comes with bug fixes and security patches. So that should fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.